Okay, so we can also draw a TG for the same regular expression double A double B. Okay, just like this. Look at this. So this is the regular expression A plus B whole steric. It means containing double A or double B. This is the regular expression. I'm eval kya asta size munja ki nishta asta A plus B whole steric at the end. Anything you can have. Okay, during the explanation of TG, as I have told you that TG can have more than one initial state and more than one final state. Second, जब mod double A बरे double A मौजूदा transition graph रस्म कर दें, वो बरे double B मौजूदा रस्म कर दें. Second, ये मुकम्मल एक transition graph है TG. How we can recognize that? Yeah, how we can identify that this is one transition graph, this is one final state, sorry, initial state, two is final state again. So we have the continuity in this number of state. In the tasalsul است. تسلسل مثلا چی است؟ مثلا 1 2 3 4. اینجا state 1 2 3 4 است. مثلا دیسته که یک transition graph است. خو دو final state داره و دو initial state داره. یک ما برای double A رسم کردیم، یک برای double B رسم کردیم. صحیح است؟ خو این قسم در NFA نیست. در NFA یک final state می باشه، یک initial state می باشه. اینجا دو final state است و یک initial state. 1 and 3 are initial state and 2 and 4 are the final state. So we can also draw just like this. Here we have the note in the above TG. If the states are not labeled, then it may not be considered to be a single TG. अगर इनका label ना में बोल, अगर इनका मो 3 or 4 नेशनल में कहते हैं, बहुत मालूम ना में शुद्ध कि मरबूती अमी TG ऐसे सही है, और ये मालूम है कि मरबूती अमी TG ऐसे या दो से 4 सही है. Got it? If you had any question, then you can ask questions. Okay, next what we have, a generalized transition graph. Okay, GTG, generalized transition graph. So what is a generalized transition graph? So the two here we can have same statements is like TG and NFA. It should also have number of states, at least one of which is star state and some may be non या final states. اینجا میگه که در NFA خو یک final و یک initial stage می باشه و در TG که است از یک می باشه که از یک زیاد final initial state می باشه. میگه اینجا هست یک یا از یک زیاد initial و final state می باشه. صحیح است؟ و چندین states می باشه. صحیح است؟ و از امو می باشه که یک باشه final initial state یا زیاد باشه. صحیح است؟ Those statements is the final set of input letters from which input string are formed. Same we have input letters just like in TG. Look at this. In TG we also have alphabet A, B, okay, and from this then we can make the strings just like this regular expression. Okay, so the same thing is right here in the GTG. Next one, direct edges containing connecting some pair of state label with regular expression. In the fark dara as TG GTG ई fark asta ami jumla kya asta ya ami sentence kya asta GTG as TG juto megana. सही से मकसद ये चीज़ इन जमेगा कि द एक transition मो मुकम्मल TG मो मुकम्मल regular expression में निश्चित कदम है तो just like this. So here for example we have initial state and here we have final state. We can write the complete regular expression on a single transition سر یک transition ما مکمل regular expression نوشته کردن میتونیم. This is the difference between the TG and GTG. The TG چی قسم بود؟ The TG کی بود ما برای ستریک که هست جدا یک لیبل جور میکردیم، صحیح است؟ یک لوپ میگرفتیم، اینجا لوپ می بود، اینجا لوپ می بود و بدون لوپ که بود برای اون ما یک ترانزیشن میگرفتیم، صحیح است؟ فور ایگزامپل دبل A بود یا دبل B بود، امی قسم صحیح است دبل A است. برای ما جدا یک ترانزیشن میگرفتیم و برای لوپ ما جدا ترانزیشن میگرفتیم، صحیح است؟ و در GTG چی است؟ در GTG مکمل regular expression در یک ترانزیشن گراف نوشته میشه. صحیح است؟ It may be noted that in GTG the level of transition edges are corresponding regular expression. و مکمل یک regular expression باشه در یک transition. Okay, next. Here we have an example of GTG. What is this example? Says us, consider the language L of strings defined over this alphabet containing double A or double B, same like previous example, containing double A or double B at the start. Whatever you have, no problem. Says the language L. So here we draw a TG for this. This is TG for this example, and here we have GTG. So we can write the complete regular expression on a single transition, no problem. This is a regular expression. This is generalized transition graph, and this is the complete regular expression, and this is, we can call GTG, generalized transition graph. This is a difference just only. So we can also write the static, we can also write the loop, yeah, clean start closure with the remaining regular expression. Yeah, we can say we can write the complete regular expression on a single transition. So this is the GTG. We have some more example for the GTG. Got this GTG? Okay. Next example, consider the language L of a string or defined over this beginning and ending in different letter. Beginning and ending and different letter. So inja or is end as so inja beginning here inja inna gufta ki beginning with A and ending with B. Agar beginning with A and ending with B agar me guft boz ami yakam durust me بود. So inja beginning with A the bain har باشه هر letter اگر باشه برای هر letter ما گفتیم که ما ستریک میگیریم. سر A و B است A plus B ما نوشته کردیم. اگر اینجا A plus B plus C می بود باز ما A plus B plus C whole ستریک میگرفتیم. صحیح است؟ اگر این statement X بود beginning with A and ending with B باز این یکم درست می بود. صحیح است؟ باز درست است. و اینجا ما چی گفتیم که beginning and ending and different letters. خود letter ما specify نکردیم، مشخص نکردیم، ما باز اکسم کردیم. برای A ما نوشته کردیم beginning with A and ending with B یا beginning with B and ending with A. اگر مشخص میکرد که beginning with A and ending with B باز انو یکم درست می بود. صحیح است؟ خب اینجا چی گفتم که این beginning and ending and different letters نوامی خاطر ما اینجا A begin کردیم و B ending کردیم، اینجا B begin کردیم A end کردیم. This is starting with A and ending with different letter B, starting with B and ending with A. ما برای A و برای B از دو portion گرفتیم. صحیح است؟ این یک regular expression هست. برای regular expression ما TG و GTG چی قسم رسم میگیم؟ Okay, so look at this. How will we draw? B, A plus B whole asterisk A. This is for the first portion and this is for the second portion. But we can also draw like this. Saykinja X samam rasa. E bare aval portion hasta. Sahi sir. E bare دوم portion. ما دو transition گرفت. X samam میشه که ما یک transition بگیریم. صحیح است؟ So this complete transition has the complete regular expression. برای TG چی قسم رسم میشه؟ TG qism rasmish. Second, starting of this is initial state 1, and here we have starting with A and ending with B. For this, how will we draw? Starting with A, this is state 2, starting with A, in the middle what we have, A or B, okay, and ending with B. This is the final state. We can say right here, this is the final state. And for the next, we can write like this, state 4. This is the second initial state. In previous example, I have explained it. Here, it is starting with B. This is state 5, and here we will have a loop, okay, A, comma, B, and ending with, so here we should have transition toward final. Here this is the second final state, 6 final state, and here we will have A. Look at this, starting with A, ending with B, starting with B, ending with A, in the middle whatever you have. Okay, so this is the TG for this, and this is the GTG, or we can say GTG for this. How we can recognize this is TG? Because here for loop we are taking the separate transition, but here we can take both loop and without loop letters on a single transition. This is GTG, this is GTG. So these two are GTG, and the above one is the, this is GTG, and this is the TG. Got it? Next, what we have, next example, here we have another example. Consider the language L of string defined over this alphabet having triple A or triple B. Very easy, triple A and or triple B. Forget the example themselves. Double A double B will injure triple A triple B as the برای transition graph چیکسیم رسم میشه؟ اینجا رسم است. سعی اینجا triple A or triple B. This is TG. This is TG, and the generalized transition graph is this one, containing triple A triple B. Got it? And one more thing is, I have told you that for this we can draw a separate final initial state, and for this we can draw a separate final and initial state. Okay. Next, what we have an example. This is for your assignment. Draw GT and GTG for the given regular expression. Okay, GT, sorry, this is not GT, this is TG. This is TG. Draw TG and GTG for the given regular expression. Consider the language L of string defined where there is beginning with and ending in same letter. In your regular expression जो करें, beginning and ending with same letter. In your starting, you are beginning with A and ending with A. Here beginning with B and beginning with B. So for this you should draw the TG and GTG. So this is your assignment. Okay, and this was your last topic of this lecture. Okay, if you had any question, then you can ask those questions in WhatsApp group. I will solve your problem. Okay, thanks a lot.